If your home is beautifully designed and still feels slightly cold, this is the half that fixes it. Part 1 was structure. Light, windows, where the furniture sits. This one is everything you put on top. Texture, color, fabric, the layer that turns a correct room into a room people want to sit in. 15 tips. Number 5 is the one most home content gets wrong, and doing it the popular way will cost you money and look worse.
Greenery. Real plants or good faux ones add life and softness that hard surfaces simply can't. A home with no greenery anywhere tends to feel sterile and unfinished, even when every other choice in it is right. Better cushion inserts. Buy down-filled inserts about 2 inches larger than the cover. An 18-inch cover takes a 20-inch insert. That's what gives you the plush, slightly overstuffed look designers call the karate chop, instead of a flat, stiff, deflated one. Layer your textures. Combine wood, linen, velvet, and metal inside a single room. Texture variety is what makes high-end spaces feel rich and layered rather than flat, even when the color palette is completely simple and neutral. Matte black accents. A few matte black touches, a mirror frame, a tap, a light fixture, add modern, high-end contrast to almost any scheme. Just remember tip 6. Matte black should be one of your 2 chosen metals, not a random third thrown into the mix. Molding that survives close inspection. Crown molding and trim work lift a room immediately. But a correction here. Peel and stick molding strips photograph convincingly and then let you down in person. They peel at the seams, warp with humidity, and read faintly plastic under direct light. If you want something that genuinely holds up, lightweight polyurethane or MDF molding is still cheap, cuts easily, and glues or pins into place. It survives someone standing next to it, not just a camera across the room. A proper shower curtain. Swap the thin plastic liner and flimsy curtain for a weighted linen or cotton one. It turns a bathroom boutique hotel immediately, and the weighted hem stops it clinging or drifting. A small detail that does a lot. Floating shelves instead of clutter. Replace an overstuffed bookcase with a few clean floating shelves, styled sparsely using the odd number rule from tip 14, since this is a loose styling vignette, not a symmetrical anchor. Give the house a scent. A signature candle or diffuser creates the sensory layer that expensive homes and good hotels always have. Pick one scent family and stay with it throughout rather than switching randomly. A consistent scent is part of what makes a space feel considered. Make the bed properly. A clarification worth having. A comforter can absolutely look expensive if it's styled and fluffed properly. You don't need to throw yours out. That said, a high-fill duvet with a linen or cotton cover washes more easily, drapes with more volume, and gets you that ultra-puffy hotel look with less effort. Either way, layer pillows in graduating sizes, largest against the headboard forward. Both read high-end. Outlet covers. Plain white outlet covers on a colored or dark wall stand out and interrupt the eye every time it crosses the room. Paint them to match, or replace them with color-matched covers. A 5-pound fix nobody ever thinks about. Grout. Discolored grout ages a bathroom or kitchen instantly, however updated everything else is. A deep clean or a grout pen if it's beyond cleaning. Startlingly effective, one afternoon, the cost of a single product. A bench or a stool. An empty corner or the foot of a bed, styled with a simple bench. It adds a boutique hotel quality most homes skip entirely. It doesn't need to be expensive, it just needs to fill dead space with intent. Where the mirror goes. Place a large mirror so it reflects either natural light or a piece of art across the room. It doubles the brightness and doubles the impact of whatever it's reflecting. It's why designers use mirrors so aggressively in small rooms. Switch plates. Same principle as the outlet covers. Worn or yellowed plastic switch plates quietly announce a dated house. Replace them to match your wall color or your chosen metal finish from tip 6. Keep surfaces clean. This sounds obvious, but dust, grime, and smeared glass are the single fastest way to make a beautifully designed home look neglected. Nothing on this list works if the surfaces underneath it are dirty.
That's all 30. Start with the free ones, clear the counters, hide the cords, take 10 things out. Which one are you trying first? Comments below, bedrooms on the next one.